Unit 7, Day 2 homework tutorial. I'll work with you on the odd problems, but remember you must do all 14 in order for it to be complete. Alright, on the first problem, where did my pen go? There we go. Our reference angle is down here in this corner. According to that reference angle, I have the hypotenuse, which is 13, and I have the adjacent side, which is x. So because I have adjacent and hypotenuse, I can use cosine. So that means if when I set up the ratio, cosine of 32 degrees is going to equal x over 13. And now I have to cross multiply. I'll put cosine of 32 over 1. And now I cross multiply, and that will give me x is equal to 13 times cosine of 32. And so when I grab my calculator, I'll take half 13, and I need to know what the cosine of 32 is. Cosine of 32 is 0.8480. And take that and multiply it with 13, and you get x is equal to 11.02. It said to 2 decimal places. All right. Number 3. My reference angle is 55. And again, I have the hypotenuse and the adjacent side. I don't know why it just changed colors on me like that, but oh well. So I'm going to use cosine again. The cosine of 55 degrees is equal to x over 20. Put cosine over 1. Cross multiply. You will get x is equal to 20 times the cosine of 55, which would give you 20 times cosine of 55 is 0.5736. So I need to multiply that by 20 now, and you would get 11.47 as a final answer. All right, number 5. My reference angle is 32, and I have the opposite side and the adjacent side. So that means I can use tangent. So tangent of 32 degrees is equal to opposite 15 over adjacent, which is x. We're going to put it over 1 and cross multiply. So we get 15 is equal to x times tangent 32. That'll be 15 is equal to x times, what is tan of 32? 0.6249. And now we have to divide both sides by that value. So 15 divided by that 0.6249 is going to give me 24.01. Again, you have to divide both sides in order to get x isolated, not multiply. It's different. It's a different setup. So make sure you pay attention to the different setups. All right. My next reference angle on number 7 is 63. I'm given the hypotenuse and the adjacent side. So again, I have cosine 63 is 5 over x. Put it over 1. We cross multiply. And you would have 5 is equal to x cosine 63. So 5 is equal to x times cosine of 63 is 0.453, well, 0.54. And now you're going to divide both sides again. So 5 divided by 0.454 will give you x 11.01 is equal to x. Okay, number 9 is next. On number 9, my reference angle is 40 degrees. According to that, I have adjacent and hypotenuse. So again, we have cosine 40 degrees is 6 over x. Put it over 1. Cross multiply. You'll get 6 is equal to x times cosine of 40. Cosine of 40 is 0.7660. And divide both sides by that. So 6 divided by 0.7660 is about 7.83. On number 11, my reference angle is 65. And I have the opposite and the adjacent sides. So I can use tangent. Tangent of 65 degrees is going to equal x over 3. Put it over 1. Cross multiply. You'll get x is equal to 3 times tangent of 65. So that would be 3 times tan of 65. 2.1445. And multiply those together with the 3, and you're going to get about 6.43. And And the last one I'll help you with is number 13. There's a picture on number 13, but it didn't quite come out very well. So we're going to redraw it. That exactly wasn't the shape pin, but sure. Alright, horizontal distance is x down here. The angle formed with the ground is this angle here, so that's 35. You're going to find the length of, or sorry, it says the length of the escalator, so that's this height. And now we have enough information. So according to our reference angle of 35 degrees, we have the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. So we'll use cosine of 35 is equal to adjacent x over 24. Put it over 1, cross multiply. So x is equal to 24 times cosine of 35. That's equal to 24 times cosine of 35 is 0.89 or 0.8192, and multiply that with 24 and you would get about 19.66 feet. This concludes your tutorial. Good luck on answering the remaining questions.